Hello, today I have a Toshiba model C850D, and this laptop is 4 parts, but I need to disassemble it, so I thought it might be a good idea to make a video of it. So if you have, start by removing your battery. I don't have one and I don't have a DVD, so I will take this corner and start removing the screws one by one. Okay, all the screws are out. Let's turn it this way, and here you're gonna need the pry tool, and on this side you have some clips. That needs to be pushed inside before taking this keyboard out. So let's remove the keyboard. We have 6 more screws here, I believe. Take this out. This also, take a pry tool. I will start from here. Okay. I think only the back plate is coming off. Yes. The back plate came off. This is the laptop. What I wanted to see if I looks like I got some kind of Realtek chip here, but not the one I wanted. I will take out this motherboard and see if the Realtek chip it's compatible with another laptop that I have, and that it has its sound chip damaged. And unfortunately I cannot see the same chip on this motherboard, so I cannot repair the other laptop that I have. And this was not a success. So what I'm trying now is I want to see if my motherboard will actually boot this time. It could have been a short, and now that all the laptop bits taken apart, sometimes it can boot, sometimes don't. It's just faulty. But I have times when, just because I took the laptop apart and it fixed the issue. So I'm taking a charger here and an HDMI cable. And let's see if something comes on the display. The laptop started, but no image whatsoever. And I guess it's a faulty chip that keeps this laptop from running. I can repair it with reflow, but I don't do that, so I'm gonna this is it. I'm not gonna put this laptop back because I don't have any reason to, and I will simply let it like this to stay. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful if you want to open your laptop yourself, to clean it or to repair something about it, and you can find a good tutorial on the, or you don't have the knowledge to open it, now you have this tutorial. I see you next time.